Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So we all know the market is red, everything is red, but even within this market, we are making money. And if you look at certain industries, as an example, energy sector, they are doing really, really great. And also there are some other on commodities you can talk about, but this particular video is all about energies because they are really, really moving higher and higher. So we have been trading INDO, IMPP, CEI, and we are making like 30, 40, 50, 100%. But I thought maybe I will just make another video, and I just got an idea about stock widths because you can always see the most active tickers, then what's the watcher, number of watcher in last 24 hours. You can see the volume about which stock people are talking, and definitely the energy stock, they are going higher. So it makes sense, more sentiment, more price action. So I'm going to cover few things: ticker symbol INDO, IMPP, CEI, HUSA, UCO, MXC, OXY, and KLXE. And already they ran a lot, but there might be a potential. So I just want to make sure that you know about the tickers. Not necessarily you have to jump in right away, but they are running and they have more potential to run. So keep those on your watch list. At the same time, the energy prices are going higher. So why not? Why not? Like, you shouldn't be trading and make some money. So anyway, so last night when I was checking, it was all IMPP, CEI, Indo, and then OXY. So I'm going to talk all about these. And if you're part of the community, and then I just want to show you something, that how we are tracking, right? So last Friday, IMPP, we played, Indo played 100% profit, 89%, even CEI 32%, UCO, Boyle, all energy play, they are moving. The market might be red, but if you know which sector is popping, you can make some money. And we have been consistent on making some money. So anyway, if you want sorry, early alert for day trading, swing trading, even for option with support, resistance, everything, please join my community. The link will be in the first comment and also the description. Join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's say make some money. Okay, so let's just start. I'm not going to deep dive in. I'm not going to talk about short interest, the float size, everything, but I just want to show you the chart and some important key level so that you can spend more time and you can see which one has a better return potential. At the same time, I will also do some work, and definitely Monday we will trade on this. So ticker symbol INDO. The first time I think we spotted it was around $6-7, and then it went all the way to 49, 7-8 times, and the last day was even more than 100%. So that thing ran a lot. If you look at daily RSI, the current RSI is right at 87. Look what happened. Last time it went to 87, it pulled back. Even few days before it went to 87, it pulled back. Again, it is 87. So just considering this, it seems like it might have stretched a lot. Maybe this is the time to cool off, because if you look at this, I was watching for another breakout, and it might come down. It might come down because I see a little bit of red, but it might come down. It can come back again, maybe around 31, 32 area, or maybe around 28. So just don't blindly get in. Let it come down, let it find a support, then you get in. The other one is IMPP. Look at the beautiful chart. Look at the beautiful chart. Look at the RSI on a daily level is still higher. Look at the volume here. Everything is looking nice. And we have been playing IMPP since $2. And I think after hour, it hit already $4. You see almost, yeah, 4.3. So from 2 to 4, doubling your money in one day. So let's have a look on the chart, and I think IMPP has more room to grow. Even though the 1 hour RSI is kind of high around 91, it might give you a pullback. But look at the chart, it looks really, really promising, right? Because there are certain areas, certain resistance around 2.6, is it went over 2.6, right? Now if you look at the chart, looks like it has more room all the way to $5, maybe $6-8, who knows. But $4 it went, and it might come down. So looking at a 5-minute chart, see what is happening on a 5-minute chart. The after hour, all the movement happened, right? So it had a 2.6 resistance, so it made 2.6 as the support, which is really good. So in terms of entry, look, or maybe wait for a few areas. So definitely around $3. Then the next one is right around 3.2, right? And the other one, I would say maybe around 3.5. So wait for the pullback. The pre-market will dictate where we are going this weekend. I see the fuel price is skyrocketing, so you have to watch pre-market, but know about these levels. The next one is CEI, another one on a daily chart. You can see it came down a lot, right? It went recently to $4-5, billions of shares were traded in one particular day, more than 1 billion. Okay, now it came down a lot in terms of volume, still not great, but what happened, look at the chart on last Friday. So one of our member spotted CEI, which was around 0.56, I think, and then it made a nice move. It moved like almost zero point 0.6, let's say, from zero point 0.6 all the way to 0.8 for 50% gain, right? So it is moving really, really nice. So if you look at the chart on a closer time frame, definitely you will see some areas right around 0.8 is a resistance, then definitely 0.68, and on the upside I will see something, maybe let's say 0.83, and definitely $1. So this is the closer time frame, right? So you see it was a resistance here at 0.8, so it went over 0.8 trying to hold 0.8. If it can hold 0.8, maybe there is some room to come back to another area, which is 0.73. So 0.8, 0.73, 0.68, these are the areas. On the upside, if I go to an hourly chart, look how much we have on the upside, right? The charts are looking really nice. It went to $5-6, don't forget that, and lots of people are talking about it, so it might be a runner on Monday as well. No guarantee it will move, but you need to know how things are moving, right? So in terms of the upper side, after one, we have 1.2, 1.4, and I will just add for now around 1.5. Yes, if we can go over this, we can talk. Maybe one more thing here, so around 1.8. Okay, so this is CEI, these are the three ones. Then ticker symbol HUSA, and this is a daily chart. It goes up and down, up and down, but if you see the chart, it goes up, comes down, goes up, up. So there is always something, so it might give another push and then it might come back. So be careful. I didn't trade at this particular one, but I'm just looking at the chart, and seems like for last few days with the energy sector, this is going higher, moving from 1.2 all the way to 1.9. But what I'm thinking, maybe we can just look for some areas, because even after hour it got a lot of volume, it looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna add few lines here for you. So definitely 1.4 is the support, then one important resistance is 1.76, so it has to hold 1.75. Then the next area would be 2.25, and then I will say something maybe around 2.67. Okay, and one more thing, which would be around 3.29. So these are the areas, keep that in mind. This is getting lots of volume end of the day, even after hours, so keep an eye. You can just take a pause and you can take the levels, but looking really, really nice. Then the next one is not a particular stock. This is UCO. This is the crude oil ETF, and we have been looking at this because you can see lots of volume coming on a daily basis. It is on an uptrend, looking really sharp, and it has an important resistance 128. So first time over our Discord, we said, okay, 128, we want to play call option, and from 128, it went all the way to 180, $40-50 on a call option. You know how much money you can make, right? So this is another one. You can again play with call option. Once we look at a closer time frame, normally we make a better plan, but look how this thing is going higher, up, 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 up. Okay, then MXC, this is another monster thing that moved yesterday. You can see from 14 it went all the way to 26, almost 100%, right? So looking at a daily chart, you can see I don't want to go too far, but looking at a daily chart, definitely it has some risk because it moved a lot already, lots of volume came, but I think it might give a pullback. It moved a lot, so maybe it needs a pullback. um, Add this to your watch list because it already ran 80-90%, so give it some time. Don't forget MUL and Mulan recently went more than 100%, and next few days it came down, so profit takers will take profit. So do not just blindly jump in, rather wait for a pullback or play some other stocks, because you don't have to play this one because it ran 90%. There are other ones that are also running. Then ticker symbol OXY. So same thing, moving a lot on a daily candle. They had an earning. The earning was good. In the expensive stock, but you can always play with shares. On an hourly candle, you can see it's just going up, right? It went up, made some consolidation, again going up, and we do not know how far it can go, but definitely something to keep in your eyes. And the same thing, the petroleum, right? And people are talking, volume is coming, very important. And the last one is ticker symbol KLXE. This is the other one I'm also very interested to have a look, because you see the lines when it was around $6-7, we were eyeing on this particular one. I didn't trade because I can't trade all of the stock, whichever is popping. But look at the areas if you're really, really interested, because if the price is $9, I see it has room for $12, $15. So on a daily chart, it looks really nice. It is trying to make a nice recovery. It hit the 10 point for resistance, but if we can break this, look at the volume here, lots of volume coming, right? So if we can break this, we can go over, touch 12, $15. One important thing, all the stock I talked, they already ran on Friday, so you might see a pullback. So enter for a pullback, and always have a stop loss. Please do not watch anyone's YouTube video and saying, okay, you said it will go up, and next morning it came down, I lost 40%, 10%, 5%. The video I make on weekend, the pre-market determines everything, the total market determines everything. If you just blindly follow a YouTube channel, that's your fault, right? You need to know when to get out, or at least you do not know, put a stop loss. It can be $10 stop loss, $50 stop loss, or 2% stop loss, but have a stop loss, because things will change time to time, right? You can't just watch a video and say, okay, you said it will go up and it didn't go up, right? But it worked. Like last time we talked about Indo, it was $6, it went to 60, right? IMPP was 2, now it went to 4, right? So try to maximize your profit, right? Try to maximize your profit and cut your loss early. So you might lose 4 trades at 2% loss, maybe 8% in total, but in one trade, if you can 20%, end of the day, this is 12% profit. Think about that way instead of complaining. Believe in yourself, okay? And these all YouTubes, these are like random guy, right? You don't know me. So random guy, not only me, any YouTubers, we are not financial advisors, not we, actually, I should say me. So anyway, do not want to talk too much, but if you like this particular video, then subscribe my channel, and also give a try, join my Patreon community, so that you can get access to my Discord for early alert with support, resistance, and chart. And hopefully we will make another day. You can see how we have been making money almost every day. You can see some green, some big numbers here, right? 98%, 30%, 26%, 27%. Be a part of the journey. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and bye.